Finding the courage to change. Diligence, patience, and consistency. One of the most famous sayings in the 12-step program is keep coming back, it works if you work it. This is usually said at the close of each meeting. As a newcomer, it's easy to understand the keep coming back part. Of course, they want new members to keep their little club going, we think cynically. The it works if you work it idea often just elicits an eye roll. Yeah, right, we may think. But something keeps calling us back. The meetings are both emotional and uplifting. People are sharing their problems, but they also share their victories. There's more laughter than tears. We are not a glum lot. However, the 12-step miracles don't happen overnight. Nobody can wave a magic wand and remove my shortcomings. Instead, I must become willing to take an inventory and sort out my good and bad patterns of thought, belief, and behavior. For me, a complete inventory was too overwhelming. I started with the behavior pattern that was causing the most trouble in the moment. I think it was minding my own business. That was enough. Just one pattern, examined with diligence, patience, and consistency. Today, I'm finally working a fourth step. I needed many years of study and listening for the healing found in the steps to work their magic on me. I'm lucky that I didn't start my fourth step too soon. Diligence, patience, consistency, and love have worked their magic at last.